Hey guys, welcome to Dio's Garage, and we are here today to put on some shock boots. I have some new shock boots from FullForce RC, if you can see, and I got the red and they're pink. I'm cool with it. And they gave us a nice little flyer that came with them. What you can see is I didn't even know they actually sold bearings, so that's good to know. And they look pretty cheap on the bearing prices. Then they have skull body washers, so some body savers. These are cool. Alright, so they got some cool products. These guys, and I'm going to show you how to put them on real quick. I've already done the set, but I'll show you how to do it and the easiest way to go about it. And as you can see here, got them on already. Okay, all you need is some tools, and it's basically all you have to do is take off one screw, this bottom one, and then you have the little one that holds the bottom collar to the spring on the shock. So you don't even have to take the top one off. Just the bottom screw. Take the shock out. Pull the shock up. And there's another little screw. Goes into here. And mine's actually on the back. And then what you want to do is pull the spring up. Take the bottom collar off. This comes right out. Then you have your spring. So you take the sock and you just pull it over your spring, and then you tuck the ends in. And the collars actually hold the spring, the neoprene, the shock boot, onto the spring. So it's pretty tight fit. Just thread it over the spring, put it back, just tuck it in each side. Go ahead and put it back onto the shock, just like so. Really easy. Put your collar back on. Pull the shock up. Hold it. It's the easiest thing to do. Put the collar back on. Back in. 2 screws and you're done. And I'll tighten that one later because I'm going to do some more work to this car. So that's it. Put the bottom back in. These are always a little tricky. You get them angled just right to get them to push in. And once you get them pushed in, take your bolt, put it through, and you're done. That's easy. And now you got your shock boot installed. Piece of cake. Alright, thanks guys.